Nodyn bach i hwn, jyst i adael chi wybod, codwch y ffôn, da ni wedi oed rhifau ffôn i gyd allan o 4 o'na ni. Mae gen ni tua 50 o gwirfoddolwyr tu nôl i ni. A please, ffoniwch os ydych chi angen rhyw fath o cymorth, ydych chi'n nabod rhywun sy'n angen cymorth.
I would just like to repeat what Angen's just said. So there's 50 people involved in volunteering here to help people out in the community in these actually very difficult times we're facing at the minute. But things are in place, so what we're saying is really strongly that if you need any help, please ring any of these numbers that's on these leaflets. We'll be going out to every door in the community. The numbers are on the bottom, and we'll make sure that somebody gets back to you and is in contact to make sure that you're alright and that any shopping you need doing could be done and correctly and delivered to your door.
And not only for shopping or anything, but just even, being isolated, even if you just need a chat with somebody else that's not, even if you're not on your own, just talking to the same people every day is going to be hard enough. I know some of you've got friends and family that you can phone, but if you don't, if you need to chat to anybody, we've got a group of the volunteers that some are willing to do deliveries, some are willing to talk on the phone, and I don't do talking.
She's very quiet,
Wel, dyna o'n i'n mynd i ddweud. Mae genna chi 4 mwy ar y gymuned yn barod i siarad efo chi. So, just because da chi i fewn ar ben eich hun, diolch yn meddwl bod da chi'n gorfod yn unig. Mae rhifau ffôn arno fo, neu o fedra ni cael rhywun i ffonio o'r gwirfoddolwyr.
And like we said before, if you know somebody else would benefit from it as well, please let them know about it, because somebody might not get these benefits because for whatever reason. So whatever reason, could you please let people know so that more people know about it and nobody's missed out. Okay.
Diolch
Diolch yn fawr i bawb sy'n helpu, a gawn ni just dweud, peidiwch am ofn codi'r ffôn, dos a ddim cwestiwn gwirion, ffoniwch ni. Cawn ni diolch hefyd i bawb sydd wedi dweud bod nhw eisiau helpu a'r gwirfoddolwyr, cos mae'n jyst i dangos sut mae gymuned blaenau gallu tynnu at ei gilydd mewn amser calad.
O, mae 100% mewn awr.
Mae'n ffantastig.
Codi calon go iawn, wedi mae'n amser mor bregus, rili, ti'n
Ie, mae blaenau di bobl ar ei oed. Diolch i'n nefyd, mor falch am yn bryn.
We were just saying that we had 50 volunteers bringing up within an hour. That's when this was launched. So it's a response, it's been absolutely amazing. And it just goes to show that the community pulls together, we can really come up with stops to help each other.
So we're all there for each other, aren't we?
Yeah, and when this is over, maybe this is a beginning of something that we can still use for the benefit of the community.
Felly, cadwch yn saff bawb, a mae'r cymorth yma os da chi angen o.
Everybody keep safe, please.